Even though not all generators are installed by Home Power Systems, they can still support you and work with you to ensure your generator was installed correctly and that the proper maintenance is being performed. Home Power Systems will also be happy to fill out an installation compliance report.
Obviously, Home Power Systems doesn't get every project that we're out there. We've had customers call us up a day or two after the installation and have us come out and do an installation compliance report. And it's just unbelievable, some of the installations that are done out there. And I believe that a couple of things occur with that. One is that the prospective customer is not asking the right questions as far as the installation methods. Two, I think the installer, quite frankly, doesn't know how to do a proper installation. Both of them, at the end of the day, I don't think are their fault, but the combining of those two things leads to a really bad installation. Remember, getting quotes and making a decision on getting a home standby generator is what we call a planned purchase. There's never any reason you should be right off the bat, yes, power goes out, you get excited about that, but you really need to do your research and understand the proper installation methods, who the contractors are, how long have they been around, what is their reputation with the town, what facility do they have. Those are kind of things that you need to ask and understand before you pull the trigger and make an investment in the automatic home standby generator.